Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome. Thanks for being part of my friends. If you are new here, thank you. If you are an OG, you guys know how I love you guys. So today's video, we're gonna continue the 100 envelope savings challenge that I'm doing, not in the regular way, so keep watching. If you are new here, I'm doing the 100 envelope savings challenge, but instead of just doing it 1 to 100, I'm doing the multiplication form. It means that the numbers that they are double, I'm multiplying them and putting them in the envelope, which I'm going to show you guys quick. But before I do that, let's go ahead, count the money. We're going to do some math. I hope you guys are doing very well. I'm trying to come back in the game again by posting video like almost every day, and I also not get discouraged because at times it gets tired, especially when you are posting videos and you don't have time to post it on time, like all those things. But it's okay. It's okay. We're still going to be consistent. It's not easy, but we're still going to be consistent and see how far God takes us throughout all this journey. So if you are new here, I'm going to do my 100 envelope savings challenge, but not in the regular way. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's $15. Then I have a 5, which is 20. I have a 10 and a 20. So plus that would be a 40. Then I have 20, 40. So that would be $80. So we're gonna do $80 today. I'm trying to finish it up. Look at how full it is, and look at it. It's very full. I can't wait to get it done. Like I said, I'm doing it in such a way that the double numbers has been multiplied. So 11, instead of putting 11, it was $1 because 1 times 1 is $1. So 1 times 2 is $2. Instead of 12 is 2. So we're done and done and done, and now we are here. When I do the 8 times 0 is 0, I don't put anything in there. Some people who are joining me to do the challenge said they put in something here. One of my colleagues is putting the 8. Instead of 80, he'll put $8. So it depends on you how you want to do it. But your girl want to finish this. And I can't wait. Somebody gave me in one of the comments that it's going to be about 1800 plus. If it's 1800 plus, I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I can't wait to do this. But if you watch my previous video, I did check how far we are, and we are about 1200. Yes, 1200. I can't wait to get this done. And today for our motivational message, it says smile every day. Smile every day. This just explains itself. I like laughing, smiling. I always tell people it's my stress relief, so that I don't get mad at myself. Depression, anxiety will not get me. So smile every day. Smile, smile, smile. So today, let's go ahead. As we know that we have $80, let's go ahead. So we're going to do 8 times 1, which is 8. So I'll put $8 instead of 81. So if you have the challenge and you've been keeping it, you don't want to touch it, I'm here to tell you there are so many ways to do the 100 envelope savings challenge. So if you want to go ahead and do that, go get along, come on in and do what I'm doing if that will be easy for you and your family. We have 8 times 2, which is 16. So we're going to put $16. So we have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 16. Okay, then we have 8 times 3, which is 24. So we're gonna do 24. Then we have 8 times 4, which is 32. That's that one. Let me take this out and do it very well. I feel like I messed it up. Okay. So that's it. So we did have 81, 82, 83, 84. But remember, we are not putting that amount. We are doing multiplication. So that's all for today. So 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 11, 4. Like I said, I can't wait to get it done. I'm counting the days to get this challenge done. And we go. I'm sure I'm going to do live about it because I want to give. I was thinking that I was going to give wallets out, but I don't think I'll do wallets. I'm going to do the 100 envelope savings challenge out. So if you join me, you will know. So let me go ahead and shade this. So we are 81, 82, 83, 84. Then I also go ahead and update my truck. So that was $8, 16, 24, 32. So this is how it look like. Yep. So I have that one as well as part of my 100 envelope savings challenge. So like I said, when I'm done with this, we're going to count it live. And for us counting it live, it means that there will be giveaway. So the giveaway, I was thinking I was going to do some wallet, but no. I think I'm going to do 4 of this 100 envelope savings challenge so that people will also try for the challenge that I've done with this 100 envelope savings challenge. Look at how it is. It's really, really, really full. Yeah, it's really full. So keep watching and stay tuned when we're going to do the live and so that you don't miss it. Yes, I'm super excited. I can't wait to do that with you guys. Once again, I hope everybody's doing very well. Thanks for joining me today. I will see you in my next video. But remember, smile every day. Bye.